I want to thank you all for coming out this morning. I want to recognize Tim Maloney, who's president of Bank of America in Illinois. Did I get that right?
You got that right.
All right.
Good job.
Who's leading the bank's corporate, philanthropic, civic, and community affairs across the state. I'm grateful that you're joining us today. I also want to acknowledge Karin Norington-Reaves, who's director of Cook County Works, the county's employment training initiative, whose efforts in these financial literacy workshops, as well as throughout the department, have been essential in strengthening the office and helping to run it more effectively and efficiently. We're all here today because of an unprecedented partnership between Cook County and Bank of America to provide financial literacy workshops throughout the county to the region's underemployed and unemployed. Bank of America has trained 86 volunteers to facilitate financial literacy workshops. The first workshop was held on October 18th, with workshops at every other week at several locations, including a couple here today and one tomorrow. Hundreds of individuals will be provided with the skills and tools that they need to gain better personal financial literacy. We're also providing a bilingual class, the first one is being held here today, in order to better incorporate the Latino community into our outreach programs. These communities have been particularly hard hit by the financial crisis, so it's critical that we provide them with tools they need to do more with less under difficult circumstances. We know that good financial management is important, especially as individuals and communities face uncertain times. Families throughout Cook County are making difficult decisions every day so that they can safeguard their future. Families are putting a hold on spending, asking everyone to pitch in, and are doing more with less. Every citizen needs a baseline understanding of how our economy works, how their personal decisions affect our economy, and how to make sound choices about their own future. Cook County Works and the Bank of America are helping families to acquire and strengthen these skills and build more stability into their lives. We know there's more work to be done. With Karin's leadership, we're committed to leading the way, in partnership with organizations and municipalities, in order to ensure comprehensive job training and workforce development. In the shadow of double-digit unemployment in parts of Cook County, expanding the reach of our workforce development services is more important than ever. Again, I want to commend the Bank of America, a leading nationwide financial institution, for providing invaluable resources to Cook County and its residents. With that, I'd like to allow Tim Maloney to give more detail about Bank of America's financial literacy programs.
It's on behalf of more than 7,000 Bank of America employees in and around the city of Chicago that I'm pleased to be here today on their behalf to commemorate this partnership to provide further financial education to the citizens of Cook County. We understand as Bank of America that good financial management is more important now than ever. And especially as individuals and families face difficult economic times, as the President just said. That's why we're so proud of this collaboration with Cook County Works. We've trained, as the President said, over 80 individuals who will be volunteering their time, and some classes are happening as we speak, to facilitate these workshops in Cook County's Works One-Stop Employment Centers in Chicago Heights, here in Cicero, Maywood, as well as in Oak Forest. We anticipate that these efforts will reach more than 350 individuals per month with the tips and the tools that they need to better manage their finances. The topics covered in the workshops will include savings, budgeting, and money management after financial setback. All of these are critical tools for families across our county. We believe this partnership will create pathways out of poverty for working families and working individuals. Through our collaboration, we will help these folks move toward economic self-sufficiency. This is an innovative and very integrated effort. It incorporates financial education, volunteerism, as well as mentoring opportunities within lines of business through key nonprofit partners. As an employer, and obviously as a leading financial institution, we have a vested interest in supporting initiatives like this that will produce a knowledgeable and skilled workforce here in Cook County to compete in the global marketplace. We're excited about the partnership, and we're excited in particular, Madam President, for your leadership and support. Thank you very much.
Thank you both for your comments. We are really excited because this represents a new chapter in the history of Cook County, and more importantly, in the history of our Workforce Development Agency. This is really just another aspect of the rebirth of Cook County Works and the work that we intend to do in order to better serve the residents of Cook County. Beyond employment training, beyond the work that's needed for the unemployed and the underemployed, we have to really focus on job linkages. And even beyond that, we have a responsibility to ensure that people are able to do more with less, given the challenging economic times. So we're very grateful for this partnership, Mr. Maloney. I'd also like to thank Alva Winfrey, who actually first brought the idea to me, and Jennifer Streeter and Julie Chavez, who've been instrumental in making this work. So thank you again.